And I had a dear friend that was just hoping and praying for a certain shape, a certain size that day. And she was going to get it in her cart. And I think she left it in her cart. That was the cautionary tale, Michelle. And we hit the end of the day, or actually it was early the next morning. And she said to me, wait, I didn't get it. It's gone. I'm like, I know that happens, whether it's a Dennis Basso throw or beautiful, I'm sorry, I shouldn't have said it. Do you want to hear something terrible?
Sore spot.
Okay, Revitalign shoes, I live in them, okay, from Dr. Nick Pagano.
Yes.
Today's special value, put 3 in my cart.
Oh, no.
1 for me, 1 for each of my daughters. Got nothing.
Oh.
Actually, later got them at a higher price.
Check out of your cart,
Check
please.
out of your cart. But
we're
guys,
both living proof it's
look
important.
at this. I just feel like you and I are Ziegfeld Folly girls right now, walking down the runway because, bam, look at this. Wow. Michelle and I were lucky enough to introduce this piece. We are, right? You know, for the first time ever. Wow, wow, we even needed a bigger table. We have fewer than 300 to go around. That means that in some of our choices, we have literally like nothing. So we're gonna start with the 3-carat, okay? It's gonna be your choice of in the 3, I mean, Michelle, look at this. It's gonna be your choice
6 minutes.
of color and size. Okay, we have the emerald in the white. We have the round in the white, and we have the oval in the white. Oh, okay, so the pair just sold out, right? And our gold is gone too, right? Yes. Okay, so these guys are gone. All right, so I'm gonna hand this off because we need to take those 2 off.
But there are choices in the 3-carat.
Right, that's it.
Good
And
thing.
okay, do you wanna hear something? The 3-carat should be $5,670 for a single lab-grown diamond. It's the real deal. We're saving today down to a one-time only price of $3,999. I know it's an investment. That is something no one will ever, ever, ever have. Okay, let's talk about the 2-carat.
Yeah, perfect.
Can we do
size.
that?
Yes.
All right, Sean, you want to tell me what we have left? In the emerald white, we have the oval white, and then we also have the oval in the yellow. Okay, and we have the round in the white and the round in the yellow. So these are your 3-carats. That 3-carat QVC is over $2,500. Our one-time only value price is incredible. Okay, then let's go down to the 1.5. And I'm not going down, I'm just telling you, you're still getting a size that most of us would aspire to have in a single stone.
Yes.
Oh man, in the 1.5 carat total weight, we have the emerald cut in white gold, the oval in white gold, we have the oval in yellow, and we have the round in both white and yellow. And then we go to the 1 carat, which I'm wearing because to me, this is something that I've always wanted to do. And one time my husband surprised me when I did get a different engagement ring and put my engagement ring in a necklace. So it is something that I just love, and it's in white gold. So I'm never gonna reproduce that in a diamond that is grown in the earth, but I can do it with a diamond grown in the lab, and this is why. This should be $1,500. We are under $1,000, and that is for 2-night only. This price is a one-time only that goes up in 45 minutes. If you want the 1 carat, we have everything. That means we have all shapes. We have round, emerald, pear, and oval. We have it in white gold and yellow gold. It's also under $1,000, which is incredible. It ships for free. It's guaranteed to be there in time for Christmas wearing and gift giving, but the pear shape now just sold out in yellow. I mean, it's just going, Michelle. It's just like,
should we go have a little cup of coffee?
The ball's about to drop.
Oh my
We're
gosh,
bringing
this
in
is
the
so
new
awesome.
year. But if someone hasn't heard about the excitement that's happening in the world of Firelight lab-grown diamonds, here's the lady to tell you all about it. And look at that 1 carat from across a crowded room.
You can see it definitely from across the room. This is your chance to get bigger, bolder, brighter, more perfect diamonds. And I mean, wow. The chain is in 14-karat gold. It's a beautiful box chain, which is the best lightweight chain on the market
today. But tell everybody what you did in the chain, because that's thanks to you.
Thank you. we have made it completely adjustable. So you can wear it as a 16, a 17, an 18, or a 20-inch length. Any neckline, anything you choose to wear. If you're going to layer it, you can put it at the longest length, the shortest length. It is completely 100% versatile. Now, you own it. Do you love it?
Oh, my gosh. To me, it's like the moment that I always wanted, and I really wouldn't do because I'm the mom that wants to give and give and give. I mean, hey, I love to shop for myself.
Generous,
and my dear friend, Barry Ort, who worked with Kenny Lane, who passed away too soon, those of us that knew Barry, I remember when I was pregnant, and I didn't know if I was having a little boy or a little girl, and I said, and you know, once the baby's born, then I'm going to go back to coming up to New York and shop with you. And he goes, yeah, you're only going to be buying for the baby. And he was absolutely right. I'll tell you what I love about Firelight diamonds here, lab-grown diamonds at QVC. I call them my dream come true diamonds because I can have it and not feel like, oh, I'll never be able to buy anything ever again.
Yes,
and they're just
doable.
Beautiful.
They are. Again, you are looking at 5 full steps in clarity above what we normally offer in Mind from the Earth. 5 steps up in clarity. You are looking at near colorless or better quality. To me, the toughest decision here is what shape do you want? And then how does it work into your budget? So,
well, we're down to 270, so that means
wow.
Now we just are down to 260. That's how fast they're going. And Michelle, I love that you and the team made it a necklace, not a classic pendant that has the bail, because it looks so much more modern. I think what I love about mine is it just looks like the diamond's almost like floating.
Yes,
that
I like that it moves.
Diamond. Yeah, right?
I like that it moves, and it moves nicely on that box chain because it's always going to be in the right spot at the right time.
Look at that.
So if you want to really show off the clarity, I would go with the emerald. The emerald really does that. It gives that brightness, that white light, that beautiful clean quality that's so crisp and just so on trend. The oval is the most modern of them all. It's going to give you an even bigger look than the carat weight you're buying, and it's because of the way that the facets are arranged and it's cut. And it's set east to west. It's the only one like that. The teardrop shape, that gives you a nice visual interest. It gives you a visual weight. It's a hybrid cut that combines a marquee and an oval together. So they're cut really well. There's no leakage of light, which is a problem sometimes.
I'm trying to find one because I don't know if I have any left. Wait, I finally found it in the one. I found it in the 1 carat. So
right,
here.
Thank you.
All right, so I'm going to hold these up. So you said for the most bling, you call it the paparazzi light bulb.
Absolutely. I mean, that's where you get the flash, is with the emerald cut. The one next to it, the oval that's set east to west, that's going to give you the biggest look in carat weight. Even though it's the same carat weight, it's going to look bigger than the others. The teardrop shape. Peyton, I think you'll back me up on this. Teardrop shapes are tough to get right? So you don't have any leakage of light.
Right.
So
the point of the pear shape.
Exactly. Isn't that gorgeous? I mean, come on. That is such a perfectly cut pear, I think. Anyway, I'm a little prejudiced, but that's how I feel.
You used to see that bow tie in the middle of it.
Right, and you can see a bow tie, but you don't want it to be big and black.
It's not dark.
Not here. No. And then, of course, that quintessential, beautiful solitaire.
Well, I mean, and if you're wondering where to go, is the 1 carat. I mean, can you imagine walking in, like we have a place called Jewelers Row here in Philadelphia. You probably grew up in a town or a city that had that jeweler that everybody went to and aspired to go to. And I'm going to buy myself a 1 carat beautiful quality pendant, but now that it's Firelight lab grown, you can go from a 3 carat, which is extremely limited. And remember, this price goes up at the end of this show. We're only 38 minutes away from this price going up. We still have another hour at midnight with me and Michelle. We still up to midnight. We still have our gorgeous Affinity Diamond show. But this price goes up at the end of the show.
You do not want to leave that in a cart.
No, we have 240 left, and that is it. Okay, so Peyton, you're up, my friend. So, and Sean, when you get a chance, let me know how many